Hello friends, welcome to Coding Host YouTube channel. In this video, I will try to answer some of the important question from TCS. So first question is, what is IRA? IRA is a Initial Readiness Assessment. So you have to take this exam after you will get a joining letter from TCS. This exam has two module. One has Python and one has Java, and rest of the whole exam is same. So in the Python module, you will get MCQ from TCS, business skills, UI, Unix, Python, MySQL, and you will get program from Python and Unix. And in the Java module, you will have MCQ from Java, and you have to write a program in Java. And the rest of the exam pattern will be same, so you can attend the exam in only one language, Python or Java. So the exam is of 100 marks. If you score larger than or equal to 80, then you will get 40,000 incentive. And if you score more than 55 and less than 80, so then you will get 20,000 incentive. And if you score below 55, you will not get any incentive. So this incentive amount you will get in your second or third month salary. And after that, next question is, suppose if you fail in IRA, so will it affect your joining process? So the answer is no. This exam is only for incentive. So if you are not able to clear this exam, so it will not affect your joining process, and you will get three chances to clear this exam. And then we have PRA exam. So what is PRA? PRA is Project Readiness Assessment. So after you join TCS and after you clear your training, then you have to take this exam. So this exam is also same as IRA, but in this exam there will be no question from TCS and business skills. You can see MCQ from UI, Unix, Python and SQL, and you can see program from Python and Unix in the Python module. And in the Java module there will be MCQ from Java and program from Java. Rest of the exam modules are same. This exam is also of 100 marks, and you have to score larger than or equal to 80, and if you score less than 80 you will fail. This exam also have three chances. If you are not able to clear this exam, then you will not get any project. So take this exam seriously. And third question is, what if you not submit your documents before joining? In some document it take weeks to ready, so you can contact your HR for asking some more time to submit your documents, and they will give more days to submit the document. And next question is, how to reschedule your joining? Suppose you are in a situation that you cannot join the TCS right now. Before the onboarding process, you have to contact your HR, and they will reschedule your joining for the next 3 months. And next question is, will you get a project on stream based? So in the TCS you can get project from any domain, whether it is matching with your skills or not. And then you have to learn the technologies to work in that project. And can you change the project allocation? Once you get a project, you cannot change it. Then you have to work in that project for maybe months or year. If you want to change your project, then you have to contact your project manager, and it is up to them. But in most of the cases it is very hard to change a project in the TCS. Next is, what will be the training duration? So in the TCS you will have a training of around 2 to 3 weeks. So you have to complete some mandatory courses, and if you are not able to complete your training, then you are not allocated in any project, and you will get in problem. And the next question is, what to do if you miss to fill timesheet and it freeze? So after you join TCS, then daily you have to fill a timesheet. You can take example of a timetable. Every working day you have to fill your timesheet, and suppose you miss to fill the timesheet, after one day timesheet will freeze and you cannot modify it. So that time you can contact your HR or manager, they will fix it. Next question is, what are the learning platforms in TCS? So in the TCS you will get a lot of learning platforms like LinkedIn Learning, Fresco Play and Udemy, etc. And next question is, why you should not remain on bench for long time? First I want to tell you what is bench. So suppose you have done your training, but after that you are not getting any project. This time is known as bench time. So if you spend your too much time without any project, then it simply means that you are wasting your time and you are not growing and learning. So it is better to get the project once you complete your training. Next question is, What is the work pressure in TCS? So in the TCS, work pressure is normal. Some days work pressure is high, but in most of the days the work pressure is normal in TCS. So you can easily balance your life in TCS. Thanks for watching.